Welcome to CarOG 765, where we bring you rare, classic, and unforgettable cars from history. If you're a true car enthusiast, don't forget to subscribe, because today, we're diving into one of the most majestic cars ever made, the 1968 Lincoln Continental. This isn't just a car, this is a statement of power and prestige. In the 1960s, if you were a president, a movie star, or a business tycoon, chances are, you were driven in a Lincoln Continental. Today, we're taking you on a ride back to 1968, to explore a car that didn't just move, it commanded the road. The Lincoln Continental story began in 1939, but the 1960s completely redefined it. In 1961, Ford redesigned the Continental with a bold new look. By 1968, it had become the symbol of American luxury, refined, powerful, and impossible to ignore. This was the era of big dreams, big cars, and bigger personalities, and the Continental fit right. The 1968 Lincoln Continental introduced some game-changing upgrades. Hidden headlights for a sleek front look. Improved safety features like an energy-absorbing steering column. Dual braking system for better control. Redesigned interior for added comfort and quieter rides. It wasn't just a car, it was innovation on wheels. Design and comfort, exterior and interior. Let's talk size and design. Length, over 18 feet. Width, around 6.5 feet. Weight, over 5,000 pounds. The car was massive, but elegant. Inside, it was pure luxury. Real leather seats, wood grain trim, fold-down armrests, power windows, and air conditioning. All features that were rare, even in most modern cars today. Engine and performance. Now let's talk power. Under the hood was a beast. 7.6-liter V8 engine, 462 cubic inches. Around 340 horsepower. Smooth 3-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive. It wasn't built for racing, but it could move 0 to 60 in under 10 seconds. More importantly, it glided on the road like a yacht on calm waters. Take a look at these details. The iconic front grille. The hidden headlights. The beautifully crafted dashboard with chrome touches. The plush leather seats that feel more like a living room sofa. This is not just a machine, it's rolling artwork. Price and value today. In 1968, this car cost around $6,000, a high-end price back then. Today, in restored condition, a Lincoln Continental can sell for anywhere between $40,000 to over $100,000, depending on rarity and condition. But its true value. That's emotional. It's a symbol of an era when design mattered more than speed, and presence mattered more than price. Why this car still matters. The Lincoln Continental is more than a luxury car, it's a piece of American history. It was bold, refined, and unapologetically large. It represents a time when cars weren't just built, they were crafted. And even today, when it rolls down the street, people stop and stare, because it brings back memories of a time when driving was elegant, not just efficient. Next video tease. If you enjoyed this ride through time, make sure to like the video. Comment below, what's your favorite classic car? And of course, subscribe to CarOG 765, your home for classic car legends.